Hi guys, thanks for getting involved in World Ukulele Day this year in Liverpool. We're going to be taking over Liverpool One shopping centre, as you probably know. Tons and tons of ukulele bands playing throughout the day between 12 and 5. And at 3 o'clock we're all going to be congregating outside John Lewis for the mass busk. So the songs that we're going to do are Three Little Birds, You Are My Sunshine and Stand By Me. So I'm briefly just going to go through each of the songs, the patterns, the chords and everything else that you need to know about playing them. Okay, so Three Little Birds is the first song that we're going to look at. It's got 3 chords in it. We've got an A major. Okay, so to play that chord, you're just going to take your index finger, 2nd string down, 1st fret, middle finger, top string, 2nd fret, and play the other 2 strings open. Okay, so that's what it should sound like. The next chord is D major, so index finger to the top string on the 2nd fret, middle finger just underneath on the C string, and squish that ring finger underneath again on the E string, all in the 2nd fret. Bottom string should be played open. Okay, the other way you can play a D major is bar over the 2nd fret and just add your little finger, pinky finger to the 5th fret, bottom string. Okay, so that's the other way you can play the D major shape. And then the final chord is an E7. So index finger, 1st fret, top string, middle finger, 2nd fret, 2nd string down, and ring finger, 2nd fret, bottom string. So that's your E7. Okay, the strumming pattern for Three Little Birds, we're going to keep it nice and simple. We're going to just use the calypso strum. So that sounds like this. Okay, so it's in 4/4 time, which means it's going to be 4 beats per bar. So it sounds like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Okay, the counting, even though it's a count of 4, we're only going to count to 3 before the word don't comes in. And the word don't comes in before the downbeat of the first chord. So 1, 2, 3. Don't worry. Okay, so you're coming in on the word worry. So that's known as an anacrusis, just in case you want to get a bit more technical. The first chord, we're going to start on the A, is going to last for 4 bars. The D is going to last for 2, back to A for 4, back to D for 2, and we're going to finish on 2 for the A chord again. Okay, so I'm going to count through, and then we're going to go to the next section. So the first section sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, A major. Okay, so to get into section 2, it's going to be a continuation from the first section. So that last chord that you play, every little thing's going to be alright. And then it'll come in, rise up this morning. So on morning, that's the first downbeat of the first bar of the second section. So we've got 2 bars of A this time. In fact, 2 bars of everything all the way through. 2A, 2E7, 2A, 2D, 2A, 2E7, 2D, 2A. So you can see the pattern switches in between. Rise up this 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 to E7, 1, 2 to A, 1, 2, and then to D, 1, 2, back to A, 7, 1, 2 to D, 1, 2, and then back to A, 1. Okay, so that is the whole pattern. Once you've kind of got them 2 together, you just repeat the whole thing all over again to play the rest of the song. 1, 2, 3. Don't worry.